Stay right there.
Okay.
Exit the car. Hands. Exit the car.
What?
Exit the car.
How you gonna tell me to exit?
Out of the car. Put it in park.
Who you yelling at? Who you yelling at?
Right here. Hands on the hood.
Who you yelling at?
Hands on the hood.
Who you yelling
You have a
at?
gun? Hands on the hood.
My hands is on the hood. Why have to put my hands on the hood? Am I arrested?
You're being detained.
How? Look, see what they doing to me, babe?
In front of Zoe's kitchen. Hurry up.
You see what they doing? Why y'all doing all this? Why cost for all these cops?
Because they said you shot a gun over there.
Huh?
Yeah, we do.
Where you going?
Don't talk.
You just came here. Why you getting all hostile? Hello? I'm on the car. You don't have to.
Just put her in the car.
No, you don't have to put me in the car. You don't have to. Let me get my stuff.
Do not pull away from him.
I'm not pulling away from him.
I'll fight it.
What is you doing? What is you doing? Why you almost broke my arm? That's a lawsuit.
You're pulling away from him. Just listen to what he's saying.
I'm not pulling away from him. I
watched you do it. I watched you do it. Just keep her in the car.
Amari was charged with improper exhibition of a firearm, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, and battery. She pleaded no contest to the charges and was sentenced to 12 months of community service and $1,885 in court fees.
They just start acting crazy, these people. And she's, I'm so, like,
Take a breath. You're okay.
Take a deep breath.
We were behind the car.
Are you injured at all?
he hit me in my head with this thing right there. They threw this napkin thing at me. They threw trays at me.
Were they back here?
No, they was
right here. They took these trays off and they slung them at her. They threw drinks in the door.
Okay.
They had another lady back there too.
We'll figure it out. We have, I told the other people to go look for them, so we got the plate from you guys. Do you want to sit down somewhere? They're hitting you in the head with that stuff?
He threw the cookie thing and I tried to block it, but he hit me up.
What was he mad about?
So the girl asked me for a 4-piece nugget. She asked for a value nugget and I said that's the 4-piece nugget. She was like, why do I want to pay $4 and something for a 4-piece nugget when I could get an 8-piece nugget for the thing? I said, I was just bringing up what you said, which was the value nugget. And so she was like, never mind, I'm going to come up there with my order. I get up. Whatever it is that they had, this is his cut too, whatever it is that they had, in their hand, they took it and threw it in.
They threw sanitizer at us. They threw a whole sanitizer at us.
Give me a minute, please.
And then she threw her drink at me. I threw her drink back at her.
When they were throwing stuff, were they in the drive-thru?
Both in the drive-thru and in here. So she comes around, she gets out her car. They're like, come on, let's fight. I was like, girl, I'm not about to fight you over some nuggies. You can get out of here with that. Take your mess out of here. It was like, come on, let's fight. Let's do this. Next thing you know, some man came in here in a whole different car. And they just started throwing stuff at me, throwing this at me.
3 people total?
3 people total. 2 black girls and a black guy.
They were just mad because you said it was a 4-piece?
Yes, they got that angry over a 4-piece nugget. Like, I thought it was over with. They was like, when she asked me to come to the window, I didn't realize it was for me to get a drink thrown in my face. Whatever it is that they threw in my face.
Did they say anything while they were in your trash in the place?
Yeah, they was trying to get me to come out here and fight.
Witnesses speak to officers about what they remember about the encounter.
You guys were in the drive-thru when this happened?
Yeah, we were parked behind them.
Yeah, so basically what I saw happen, when they pulled up, and then they like looked around the corner, backed up, pulled forward, backed up, pulled forward. That was weird. Then they got up to the window. We were looking down. We looked up and watched them throw a drink at the window.
Yeah.
And then they closed
did it, or which
I
car?
think they threw first.
It was the driver.
Yeah.
Which car was it?
It was the Kia.
Silver Field. Sedan. So they threw something in the window, they closed the window, and they threw something else and splashed off the window and back on the ground. And then I heard them pull around. I thought they left.
Yeah, I thought they left.
And
I
then
heard
yelling.
yelling inside.
Yeah, 'cause we were up at the window, we paid, and then we heard yelling.
You guys were in the drive-thru when you heard the yelling?
And then they came back and told us that they'd come inside and start throwing stuff.
Yeah, well, that's what he had asked me.
Oh,
He's
the
like,
employees told you?
Yeah, they couldn't be close.
yeah, well, that's like we were sitting there, and then he told me, he was like, when they come back inside, and I sit there listening for a minute, you can hear them slamming stuff around here.
Did you guys come in here and see any of that stuff that happened while they were here?
No, we came in here right after.
Can I see your hand? Where'd they hit you? Right there? That red line?
Yep.
I'm gonna picture your hand, okay? What got thrown at you? Something from back here?
It was, you know the glass box of cookies that we usually have here?
Oh, yeah.
They threw that at me.
The display one?
Yeah, and it broke on my hand.
That's glass, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one threw it at you? Do you remember?
It was the guy. Yeah.
I would never react to it. I only go out on Saturdays and Sundays, and I'm like, I'm not going to go home. They go home and schedule.
Did he, when he threw it, did he say anything to you?
No, it's like when it came over here, he just, I didn't know where he came from. He wasn't with them when I was out there talking to them about the whole situation. I come in here because I was out there getting their license plate, and they were talking to me about how they should get the manager out here and make her clock out so we're gonna kick her, you know, we're gonna fight her. Right?
They said that to you?
Yeah. And they tell like there's no reason why that she should be talking to us like that, even though they asked for 4-piece, 8-piece, and another 4-piece that's valued.
So when you guys get the orders over the intercom, everyone's able to hear what's being said, right?
Yeah, everyone who has the headsets on will be able to hear.
So did you hear what was said between them?
Yes. All the manager was just said that, well, you ordered the 4-piece, but since you're saying the 8-piece, we'll do that for you. And I guess they took that as disrespect, and before we ever get their other orders, they just drove in, and then since we were busy, their line was slow. And they also got aggravated because of that. And then they pull up, and I see the store manager go up, talk to them, and then I go this way, and I look back, and there's a cup being thrown at her.
Okay, I'm working on it.
And I don't know what I don't know what it is. I think it might have been soda or some type of liquid, but it's all over that window.
Okay.
And then they pull up here. I don't know. I couldn't see.
Did you see who threw this one?
That one. Okay.
The yellow one? It was like a Dickie spell.
It was either one of those women who threw that. But the guy was mainly the one who threw the sanitizer, threw the glass box, threw the trays.
Okay, and then I'm still waiting for photos for him, so we'll figure out what he looks like.
He's a tall black dude. He had a gray shirt, he had a black a cooking wear, and he also had a hat on.
Like a baseball hat?
No, it was like one of these where it was like
visor?
Like it was like a visor.
You said cooking wear?
Like it looks like he just came out of cooking something.
Like from Dickies?
Probably.
I figured if he works at fast food, he would treat you guys like this.
Police discover it was a family affair when they pull over 29-year-old Brianna Ross and her mom, 44-year-old Cherie Ross.
Hi.
My mom was trying to talk to you.
Okay.
I just saw you sitting there and I want to turn around because I was actually getting ready to call the police.
The incident at Burger King?
And I want to tell you, like, I just left the grocery store. I got groceries in my car.
Can I come on the other side and I'll talk to you on that side?
Like, ignorant is mess. So I left the grocery store. I stopped at Burger King to give my kids some nuggets. So I'm in the drive-thru and I asked for nuggets. The lady on the intercom with the attitude, that's not what you said. You said it, so they left us sitting in the drive-thru forever. So I'm like, I got to the window, I was like, just cancel my order. I don't want it no more because you rude, you in customer service, you don't talk to people like that. And see, look, I don't got time for this. She threw a whole, you see all this pop all over my car. She threw pop inside of my car, wet my daughter up, wet my young kids in the back seat. So I got upset and I was like, no, you're not going to do that. So I pulled into the front. The young guy came out saying he the manager. I was like, so you let your workers do stuff like this, just throw pop and expect nobody not to do nothing back? I was like, no, that's not how it worked. I was like, I'm calling the police. I said, I'm reporting y'all. I was like, and I'll mess around and beat this lady's ass. I'm not gonna lie, I did say that. And so he was like, she didn't do anything. I said, how she didn't do nothing and you see all this pop on my car? So I go in there and she, all right, I got something for you. I said, I got something for you too. I was like, come from around the corner, around the counter or whatever. So I'm like, she never came from around the counter just talking mess. Another customer seen her do something and like, I think threw some water or some crap on her, but she crazy. Like, that lady is crazy and I'm trying to my son is like throwing up, so I'm trying to get him, we just want to get him a Sprite and something to eat. And so I'm sitting up here trying to call corporate like 99 times and they not even answering so I can report this location, but I don't appreciate that crap. And she, well, I'm calling the police, call them, because when I get to home, I'm calling them too, and that's what made me turn around, because I saw you sitting there. So, but I don't know, like, something got to be done. That's not fair. Like, that's just not right to me.
Okay. You guys got your IDs on you?
I said, my husband came up there, but he came up there and he saw the dude taking pictures of the car, and my kids was crying, and he came in there and told us to leave, basically. He was like, y'all get the F out the store and just leave. I didn't say nothing because I didn't want him to get in trouble because he did leave his job without nobody else being hurt. But he said that he told his boss that he left.
What was your daughter's role?
Just yelling, basically. Just yelling.
What made you guys go inside?
Because she threw the pop, like she threw it and it went all on my kids and I got mad. Like really, that's the only reason I even went in there. I'm like, that was just unacceptable to me. And then I went in there to really file a complaint with the manager, but then they just automatically was rude. And it just, like, I got triggered, I'm not gonna even lie. Like, I feel bad, but it was just like, you don't do that to people.
Did you throw the nuggets at the person?
I didn't even get food. I didn't get anything. I told them, no. I said, I don't want my order, I don't want nothing.
So they just
and she threw a big cup of orange pop. It's all over my car.
I see that.
Yeah.
Well, my partner was saying on video, like, you throw something at them first.
I did throw some water.
You do some water?
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to do. I don't know why they would throw soda.
It didn't hit her, though. It did not hit her. Yeah, it didn't hit nobody.
Where's your husband at?
He's at work. At Dickies. He's the manager over at Dickies.
Those are all your kids?
Yep.
But she's an adult?
Yeah, she's an adult. She's a nurse. She's 29.
Is she able to drive the kids home?
Yeah.
You need to place under arrest with her.
Okay.
Nice and cooperative.
Officers arrest the mother but release the daughter to tend to the other children. Then officers make their way over to Dickie's to speak with the father, 43-year-old Tavarius Ross.
This him right here.
Yeah. How you doing, sir? Do you mind coming out here, please? Meet Tavares?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you know why we're over here today?
About what, my wife got arrested?
Yeah.
About the lady threw the pop on and stuff?
Yeah.
And my kids.
Yeah, so what, you know what happened?
Yeah, I'm on the phone. My daughter just told me about it.
Okay. Were you involved at all?
Yeah, no way. I got tried to call y'all. My son got to throwing up and shit. I did go, I'm not gonna lie to you. My son throwing up. The car, man, my daughter was in the back seat, wet as hell. It was pop all over the car, bro.
Okay.
I'm on the phone. I'm the supervisor. So I'm on the phone. I'm listening to everything. I'm telling them, like, chill out. I even talked to the lady, the black lady. She was the supervisor. She wasn't the supervisor.
Okay.
I said, I talked to the supervisor over there know me.
So how did this escalate from drive-through order?
They was sitting up, and it was two women out there, two older women.
Okay.
They seen the whole thing.
How'd the store get trashed?
I ain't gonna even lie. They threw something at my wife. I threw something. You should have seen my son. I don't know which one of y'all was there. Man, my son was in the. His whole face was red, throwing up, bro. Okay. They threw a whole. I don't know what that was. She threw in his face. He was in the back seat. He's 4. I apologize for cussing and throwing up. He's 4 years old, bro.
Okay.
My daughter's only 12. She didn't have no reason to cuss cuss my wife out. I don't care what was going on. My wife was wrong and she was wrong. They ain't had no point for it to even escalate as far as it did. But she didn't have no reason for. She sent the girl to the window. It should have been deaded from there, I thought. So the girl my fault. So the girl, I'm not on that, man. So the girl sit up right here. She sits up, comes from behind the girl, and throw a whole extra large cup of in her face. Not my wife. She threw it in my daughter. That was my daughter drive. That was my baby in the backseat. 4 years old. He's seizure prone.
Okay. So no one threw anything out of your guys' car first?
No. I swear to God. No, go look at the camera. I swear to God.
Which car were you in?
Huh?
Which car were you in?
Which car was I in?
Yeah.
What you mean?
What car were you driving?
Huh?
What car? You were in a car, right?
I was in a truck.
Which truck? What kind of truck were you in?
Oh, a black truck.
Is it a Bourbon or a truck?
It's a truck. What you mean?
Like
I don't
Ford
understand.
F-150 or what is it?
No, it's a Suburban.
Okay.
What you mean?
So someone throws water on you.
No, it wasn't no water. It was pop. It stuck all in the car. I don't even know what it was. I'm just assuming.
How do we get to the point where someone's having a glass cookie thing shattered on them?
Nobody had no glass cookie thing shattered on them, bro. Did y'all look at the cameras? Ain't nobody throw no glass cookie thing shattered on nobody.
How'd all the stuff on the counters end up on?
I pushed it on the floor. I'm not gonna lie to you. I pushed it on the floor. I swear to God I did. I didn't throw nothing at nobody. You can go look at the cameras. If I'm telling you to look at the camera. I didn't throw nothing on nobody.
Okay.
All I'm saying, I'm a man. I think you came back you pulled me over the other day. Like, cause of my plate thing. Cause I had the paper plates up.
That's not me. It's alright. No, I don't.
But bro, what I supposed to do? Cause neither one of y'all do the same thing. Y'all got 4 years old. She didn't have no reason to do what she did. As a worker for a company to come behind, if you sent somebody else to handle the situation, why would you come from behind your worker to throw a hole? I don't know what it was. I'm assuming it was lit.
Why didn't you call us?
I did.
So I'm not saying what the other person did was wrong or what was right, okay, but I talked to your wife. She told me she threw water at her first.
I didn't know that.
Okay.
Huh? Wait a minute. Who?
Your wife threw water at the lady first.
No, she didn't.
That's what she told me. Why would I lie to you? I'm not lying to you. Your wife is very nice.
I ain't disrespecting you. I'm not
saying that, but she did. So she's like, I did. I was upset. I threw water at her, and then she threw the soda, and it hit your kids. That's what she was telling us. So that's kind of how it started. She said she was upset. So if you didn't see that, that's fine. It's not a big deal.
You telling me my wife threw something first?
Yes, sir.
I'm not being. I'm
not lying to you, sir.
I'm being straight up and down with you.
I appreciate you. No, that's what she told me. Yes.
He's shooting you straight.
I have no reason to lie to you, man.
Yeah.
Your wife is very nice, dude.
No, I ain't just.
So.
I ain't. I thought you wanted.
Appreciate you being cool, dude.
Y'all gonna lock the store up at least?
Yeah, we can figure it out.
You got a key in the police store. You do that?
We can do that. We can lock it up.
We don't got no more meat, bro. No more meat. We sold out. It's closed right now.
Both parents were arrested for criminal damage and disorderly conduct. Tavarius picked up an additional charge of aggravated assault using a dangerous instrument for throwing the glass cookie case. Their daughter, Brianna, was released with a criminal citation. Both accepted a plea deal in court. While Cherie was able to avoid jail time, Tavarius served for his disorderly conduct charge.